Welcome to Goel Impex, bringing engineering solutions for corrosive chemicals. It all began in July 2010. Our dedication to delivering top quality products quickly made us a key player in the global glass industry. We serve industries such as chemical, pharmaceutical, life science, biotech, fertilizer, pigment and dyes, perfumery, precious metal, essential oil, R&D, distillers, and lighting industries. We expanded our horizons in 2020, stepping into technical turnkey projects domestically and internationally. We provide turnkey project services such as design and engineering, procurements, installation and erection, commissioning, testing and quality assurance, and project monitoring. We now proudly serve 1,100 satisfied customers across all continents. Today, Goel Impex stands as a testament to excellence and innovation, providing the finest scientific and industrial glass components. For more info, visit our website. Join us on this incredible journey as we continue to make a global impact.